Hi, my name is Ben Gilmore. I'm a software engineer with NCDMM. We're pleased to introduce our newest tool, Roadmapper 2.0. This is the home page of Roadmapper, which you'll be able to see once you've logged in. Each one of these cards represents a roadmap that exists within the application. Some of these cards are transparent, which indicates that I don't have permission to access those roadmaps. Roadmaps can be either public or private. Anyone with an account can view public roadmaps, while those that are private require permission. If I navigate to a roadmap I don't have permission to access, it shows an alert that explains this with a link I can use to request access. When I click this link, the owner of the roadmap receives an email notifying them of my request with links to approve or deny it. Let's return to the home page. Roadmapper can be viewed in light or dark mode. Let's use dark mode for the rest of this demo. We can look at a roadmap we do have access to, the MMX Technology Roadmap. This is the main roadmap view. It shows the title and a list of swim lanes, each with an associated color shown below. When I click on a different swim lane, the content on the page changes. The first time you load a swim lane, you'll see a list of critical technology elements, or CTEs. These can be identified by the cog icon to the left. By clicking on them, they can be expanded to show all requirements within that CTE. Several pieces of information are visible for each requirement: a priority level, the requirement language, a time frame, and a progress percentage. Any combination of this data can be displayed. Only the language is strictly required, so it's not an issue if a requirement is missing some of these attributes. You can drill down further by clicking on a requirement to expand it. Here, the full language is shown, as well as a unique identifier, additional notes, and any links to external resources. It's also possible to model requirements with a parent-child relationship. We can see an example of this in the design swim lane. Here we see a parent requirement with related requirements belonging to it listed underneath. Parents and their children are always shown together. The toolbar at the top of the page contains a number of useful functions. The roadmap can be searched by clicking this button and inputting a query. The results page includes only content that matches your search, with the keywords highlighted to make it easy to find relevant information. The filter function allows for even more specific criteria. Requirements can be filtered to match priority level, time frame, and a range of progress values. Let's say we're only interested in requirements that are at least 25% complete. I can adjust the slider and apply my new filter. Now, some of our previous search results have been omitted because they don't satisfy this new criterion. If we return back to the full roadmap view, you can see that our filters are still in effect, and those requirements not satisfying them are hidden. To disable the filters, open the interface again and click Reset. Now, the full roadmap is once again visible. The Print button allows users to make physical or PDF copies of a roadmap. These are in landscape orientation by default, and the background colors can be either shown or hidden. The next button allows for exporting roadmap data to Microsoft Excel. Clicking it triggers a spreadsheet download, and that spreadsheet contains all the same information that's displayed in Roadmapper. If a filter is enabled when the export button is clicked, then only matching requirements will be included in the spreadsheet. If you are a contributor to a roadmap, you'll see a button to enable edit mode at the top of the page. Clicking it will reveal a new set of controls. The owner of the roadmap will see a button to navigate to the user management page. Here we see a list of users with contributor rights. If this were a private roadmap, we'd also see users who only have read permissions, as well as a section for outstanding permission requests. The drop-down to the right of each user's name allows for changing their permission level. This defines which aspects of the roadmap they're able to edit, with edit swim lanes providing the most control and edit requirements the least. The trash can on the right allows the owner to revoke someone's permission. The section at the bottom of the page allows for looking up a user by name or email and manually assigning them access. Back on the roadmap page, the arrows on the right allow for CTEs to be reordered. The pencil buttons on the left side allow contributors to edit existing content. Let's try editing a requirement. We can modify the progress, add a priority, a time frame, another note, and a link to an external resource. You can see the information we added. Those changes are reflected on the page immediately. There's no need to wait for a reload. Removing the changes we made is just as simple. Thank you for your time. We're proud of our work on this application and excited to see how it can contribute to innovation at America Makes. Roadmapper 2.0 and the America Makes Technology Roadmap are available now.